Break conventions to balance efficiency and precision. Boost output, unlock unlimited manufacturing potential. It's the Songu Laser Fly high-speed fiber laser cutter. From zero to breakthrough, powered by proprietary core technologies. Backed by self-developed full-process digital production lines, committed to ultimate premium craftsmanship, backed by over 20 years expertise in advanced manufacturing. Fitted with vision anti-collision and human detection system. Detect unauthorized access with instant real-time alert. Deliver full protection for worry-free safe production. 15 seconds auto pallet changer speeds uploading and unloading greatly. Auto edge finding removes manual alignment for higher precision and productivity. Integrated marking enables full part traceability and logistics control. Vision remnant nesting maximizes leftover usage to cut production costs. Vibration suppression eliminates resonance for stable, precise cutting. Built-in nesting software supports rush orders for diverse processing needs. 2.7 grams ultra-high acceleration enables instant cutting and boosted throughput. Zone-targeted dust removal saves energy and optimizes workshop conditions. Auto-piercing and slag removal safeguards cutting head for consistent precision cutting. Micro-tab design prevents part drop for easy mask blanking. Auto nozzle changer with auto calibration and cleaning cuts manual risks. Compatible with automated production lines. Enable fully unattended automatic production. Fly Series high-speed fiber laser cutter. Reshaping metal processing with digital laser technology. Empower global manufacturing toward more intelligent, more efficient, and new future.